Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj and welcome to Divine Miracles. I have come here today to share with you all a very important wisdom, a very important knowledge or information that I got yesterday during the healing session with my client. So we were working together on this person who came for the healing had an issue with receiving, and since childhood, she was taught by her parents, by her mother, that give selflessly. It's important to give. But then when it came to receiving, she was taught that no, it's not good to receive, it's not good to ask. So you should not ask for yourself, you should not receive anything. And in return, what happened that it created a lot of emotional and energetical lacks in her, like a lot of disturbance got created because she was giving, she's full of love. I can feel her energies. When I connect to her, I see that her heart is full of love. She is very soft and gentle person, but still, due to the belief that receiving is wrong or you should not ask, she was just giving, 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 and giving to her family, to her friends, to people around her. And in return, she is not receiving because neither she is asking nor she is receiving due to the belief that receiving is wrong. She blocked her receiving, and then that created all kind of issues, like it can be self-worth issues, it can be self-confidence, it can be self-esteem, it can be self-love. But if you are not receiving and you're just giving, then you are breaking the channel of the continuous flow, which is maintained through receiving and giving. If we step out of this channel, if we step out of this alignment, then we create a lot of issues in our life. It can be related to relationships, our health, money, work, happiness, joy, whatever. So then, when we were healing earlier, we released the belief, and then I asked the Creator to replace it with Creator's highest truth. So I was shown a very beautiful insight. I was given a very beautiful insight that I would like to share with you all. Creator told me that receiving is very important. Receiving is the key. If you break this thing, if you break this energy, then disturbance comes in your life. So then he told me that once you decide that, okay, I'm going to take birth now, I'm going to be on earth now for a certain time. So, what you do, first step, you see a mother, you choose a mother, right? And then your mother becomes a channel of receiving for you. Through her, you receive oxygen. Through her, you receive blood. And then, through her and through your soul, your body starts developing. Your body organs, your body function starts happening inside. So, if you stop receiving her blood, if you stop receiving the oxygen from her, what will happen? Your body will not develop as it is supposed to develop. So, the receiving aspect started since the time of your conception. You conceived, that itself was the energy of receiving. So, it is very important to be connected to that energy through which a journey started. If we are receiving everything from a mother, then we become a healthy child. We develop fully, our body is fully developed, all body parts and organs are fully functioning. And then the day comes that you decide to come out of the womb, your birth date, and then you give happiness to people around you. You give relationships to them. So someone will be your father, your mother, your brother, sister, your grandparents, your uncles, your aunts, like that. So you give that relationship. But first, you were in the process of receiving. When you fully received for 9 months, when you were full, and then you were ready to give. So if the process broke in between, do you think that you could have given fully to the people around you? So, no, I don't think so. I feel that it will break the chain. Similarly, like, you have to understand that receiving is the most important aspect of your life, of your journey. You receive wisdom, you receive knowledge, you receive healing, you receive happiness. So if you're blocking all this, if you're not allowed to receive, if you're not comfortable receiving, because as a child, maybe our parents, maybe our grandparents, or maybe somewhere someone has taught us, no, receiving is wrong, no, receiving is bad, no, if you ask, if you receive, then your image is goes down, your name is bad, all that things are taught to us. What happens during the process of development, when we are developing as a person, when we are growing as an adult? We learn all these things and then we stop receiving. We stop receiving love. We stop receiving appreciation. We stop receiving happiness. And then what creates in us is a void. And that void gives us low self esteem, low self worth, low self confidence, low self love, unhappiness, illness, scarcity, lack, losses, debts. All those things starts happening. So somewhere you have to identify that where did you break the chain of receiving and giving, because when you took birth you were completely aligned to this energy. From where did it happen that you broke this chain? Where did it happen that you stopped receiving? So you identify yourself, you heal yourself, and you align yourself again to the energy of receiving, and then see that how beautifully things will start changing in you and around you. Everything will shift. Anything in your life will shift. So nothing is there that you can heal, with this concept. So this is a beautiful understanding which I got yesterday. And one more understanding came to me long back, which I usually share with my students and with my clients, is that even the universe, even the nature, even the creator created this law of giving and receiving through our breaths. We breathe in and we breathe out. It has never happened that we breathe in twice, thrice, and we never breathe out. It has never happened that we are only breathing out and we are never breathing in. So if you want to live, if you want to be alive, then you have to maintain a balance between breathing, breathing in and breathing out. So see, even there, the balance is important. Even there, giving and receiving is important. Even there, receiving and giving is important. So that's natural. But somewhere, due to our beliefs, due to our experiences, we are taught that no, receiving is wrong. If you receive, people will look down on you, people will think bad about you, people will feel that you are poor, or people will feel that you are weak, or you're helpless, something like that. So that's the reason that we stop receiving. So Creator told that this is the very important aspect. If you don't receive, how will you give? Right? So you understand that there's a bucket of water and you're giving water to everyone. One day it will happen that the bucket will be empty. How will you give if you're not opening the tap and not refilling your bucket? So you have to receive the water to give the water. Similarly, if you're just receiving and receiving and receiving, right, and you're not giving out, what will happen? It will just keep overflowing and it will just drain out. It will waste. So you have to maintain a balance between receiving and giving. If you are receiving too much and you are not giving out, then also the energy is getting wasted. Then also the things are getting wasted. So you have to align yourself with this law. This is a perfect law from the sixth plane, which says that yes, giving and receiving and giving have to be there to maintain a perfect balance. So if we are balanced, then we can balance our family. If a family is balanced, then we can balance a society. If the society is balanced, then we can balance a beautiful earth. Right? So start with yourself. Identify that where the block happened, from where did you stop receiving. Open that and start receiving. It can be anything. It can be love, it can be appreciation, it can be life, it can be money, it can be work, anything. But identify that where did you block yourself from receiving, so that you can give to yourself and to others happily, so that you can enjoy giving. If you are receiving, then only you will enjoy giving. Otherwise, that giving where the receiving is not happening will create bitterness in you, will create resentment and anger in you, will create negativity in you. right? So we don't want to go in that kind of space where we become a negative person. So identify your blocks, and let me teach you today through Creator. Would you like to know that how to maintain the balance between giving and receiving? How to maintain a balance between receiving and giving through Creator, knowing that it's a very important law and you should be aligned to that now, easily and effortlessly, in the highest and best way. Would you like to know that this is your birthright and you claim it now? Would you like to know that through receiving, opening your receiving, you start healing yourself, because you start receiving the healing, you start getting love from the Creator, right? So you heal yourself, and once you heal yourself, you change your life. So would you like to have all this wisdom and this knowledge in you and align yourself to this law and align your life towards this law and allow yourself to heal? Would you like to have this knowledge and wisdom now in you, easily and effortlessly, in the highest and best way, in the core genetic history and soul level, in your DNA, in your cells, in your genes, in your Akashic and karmic records, in all the areas and aspects of your life, across time and space, across lifetimes, across all the levels and planes of your existence, in all the languages, in your aura, in all your chakras, major chakra, minor chakras, and mini minor chakras, in your energy body, in your physical body, in all your body parts, your body organs, body system, body function, so that they start receiving health, they start receiving energy, and they start receiving all the important nutrients and vitamins which are important to live. And in your emotional body, your mental body, your spiritual body, your higher self, your soul, and your divine timing, and your life plan, your life script, your life journey, your life purpose, and in your conscious and your subconscious and your unconscious mind, and in all the areas and aspects of your life, everywhere you receive this wisdom, you receive this knowledge, and start giving out to anywhere where it is needed in any area and aspect of your life. So just say yes. I'll ask Creator to download all this into you easily and effortlessly in the highest and best way. And if you still feel that yes, there is a big block between receiving and giving, either you are stopping your giving or you're stopping your receiving, and you need support from the universe, then ask Creator to heal you. Ask Creator that you should contact somebody who can help you doing that. If you feel that I can be your healing channel, then contact me. We will sit together and we will identify from where this is coming, and we will release this. It is as simple as that, through Creator, you know. And we will release a block, and we will open your receiving and we will open your giving, so that beautiful circle can come in into your life and beautiful changes can bring in your life. I am available on Facebook. I am available on Instagram. You can WhatsApp me. I will give you share the number with you. So just feel comfortable. Let's sit together, heal this energy today, so that you can bring beautiful changes in your life and the life of your loved ones. So I leave you now with this knowledge, with this wisdom, and just check in yourself that what steps are important for you now to take for a beautiful life. And have a blessed day. Enjoy your day, and be happy. Thank you.